to SVLC's AT and DDAR demonstration of the LuminAid solar lantern. Today we'll be showing you the different settings of the LuminAid lantern and how to charge it. The LuminAid lantern can be used in a case of emergency. It is waterproof, dustproof, and can float. There is an adjustable strap on top that can be used to hang it on a bag, chair, or DME item. Step 1. Unbuckle the strap. Step 2. Undo the valve and pull from opposite sides to unravel the lantern. Step 3. Blow into the valve and fully inflate the lantern. You are now ready to use the lantern. Turn the red button on the top to activate the lantern. Click once to set it for turbo settings, twice for high setting, 3 times for medium setting, 4 times for low setting, and 5 times for flashing setting. To turn off the light, select it one more time. You can now use the straps to buckle and attach it to a backpack, wheelchair, or anywhere you would like. Your LuminAid solar lantern is now ready to be used. You can charge the LuminAid lantern in multiple ways. 1, by using the USB plug at the top. It will take 1 to 2 hours to fully charge. 2, by using the solar panel function by putting it outside in direct sunlight, and it should be done in 10 hours. You can check to see how much battery life is left by selecting the red button on the top. 4 lights means it's full, and 1 green light means it is low. To deflate the lantern, you're going to have to unplug the valve at the bottom. Then you'll go ahead and twist it down to let out the air. And it is now ready to be buckled up and put aside.